What if clapping your hands made sonic booms? Imagine you're at a concert. The band finishes their song, the crowd erupts in applause, and suddenly, boom! Not just a polite clap, but an honest-to-physics sonic boom with every pair of hands. That's because, in this world, clapping somehow pushes your palms together faster than the speed of sound. For reference, the speed of sound in air is about 343 meters per second, roughly 1,200 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most Formula One cars and just under the cruising speed of a commercial jet. Normal human hands, even the fastest clappers on Earth, move at maybe 5 meters per second. You'd have to multiply that by about 70 to break the sound barrier with your palms, which is, well, not something wrists were designed for. But let's assume your arms don't instantly dislocate, and you've just created the world's first applause-powered sonic shockwave. What happens? A sonic boom isn't a single bang, but a continuous shockwave generated by something moving faster than sound. Every clap would generate a pressure wave that slams into nearby eardrums. The sound intensity, easily over 150 decibels. That's louder than a jet taking off right next to you, and it's well into the range that ruptures eardrums and shatters glass. Now picture an auditorium with thousands of people clapping in rhythm. You wouldn't hear the band's encore, you'd hear an overlapping storm of shock waves. Each clap would be like a small explosion. The room's windows would blow out, the stage lights would rattle and fall. The audience would go from cheering fans to a crowd of dazed, bleeding, possibly deaf survivors of the loudest standing ovation in history. Outdoors, it wouldn't be much better. A stadium full of clapping hands could probably be detected from orbit. Birds would drop from the sky. Weather stations would record mysterious pressure spikes. Meteorologists might start predicting concerts the way they predict hurricanes. Could we harness it? Maybe. Each clap's shock wave carries a burst of energy, enough to move air with considerable force. If coordinated, a stadium of clappers could, in theory, generate destructive interference patterns, or destructive destruction patterns. Either way, no one would want to sit near the front row. So in short, if clapping made sonic booms, applause would instantly become a public health hazard. Concerts would be banned, birthdays would be deadly, and slow golf claps would feel like someone firing cannons across the green. It's a good reminder that sometimes the fact our hands don't break the sound barrier is the reason our ears still work.